As of July the 1st, 2021, the EU will be rolling out the Import One-Stop Shop, or the IOSS scheme. Now, this new scheme affects businesses who sell to EU customers. But what exactly is changing? Well, the exemption on VAT and duties on orders below €22 will end. All orders of any value will now be subject to VAT and duties. So if you register for IOSS, it is possible for you to charge VAT on behalf of the EU on orders up to €150 in value. Now, if the value of the order is over €150, you can't charge VAT, and the customer has to pay VAT and duties when they receive their goods. Now, to avoid the €150 limit, you would have to physically import the goods into the EU, warehouse them, and then dispatch their orders from the warehouse. So what exactly do business owners need to do? Well, you can continue operating as per usual, sending goods to customers in the EU, resulting in your customers being responsible for paying any VAT and duties owed for the goods. Now, this includes any VAT and duties on any orders below €22. You can also choose to register for the IOSS scheme in an EU country of your choice. This will require you to appoint an EU established intermediary to fulfill any VAT obligations, as well as submitting a monthly VAT return using the IOSS portal. If you choose to do this, you can then begin to charge VAT on orders below €150, meaning your customers then don't need to pay VAT themselves. As always, we recommend that you get in touch with your accountant or financial advisor for any specific questions regarding the IOSS scheme. Also, you can read more about the EU VAT changes in our guide that's linked in the description below, or it will be on screen in the top corner for you to click. If you've got any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments below and we'll do our best to get back to you. Thanks for watching.